Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning about package management and the tickets for that. We're going to learn how to write a script that installs and starts Apache package management. So on mobile extern, what you're first going to do is type all these group of commands below in Sublime Text or Word document. Sudo yum install httpd-y sudo systemctl start in httpd sudo systemctl enable httpd ps-ef grep httpd just to show the status, or you can do sudo systemctl status httpd. Then you copy the script above and vi into the package.sh and escape shift-z to save it. Next up, we're going to learn how to write a script that updates packages. Well, to update packages, you're going to type this command below. sudo yum install tree get sudo yum install tree wget nano zip unzip -y wget https wget the link for Apache and Tomcat link. Then you're going to unzip Apache. You're going to unzip Apache Tomcat. Remove -rf Apache Tomcat.zip because you already unzipped it. We don't need the zip anymore. Then copy the script above and paste it into the vi update sh. Now, simple enough. Let's just go ahead and practice this on mobile extern. Now we're inside mobile extern. What we're going to do is clear our page. Clear. Let's go to our first ticket. It's over here. Now we're gonna copy this. Copy. Touch our file. Package.sh. Inside we're gonna vi into package.sh. Now inside it, we're gonna insert, we're gonna paste it. Sudo yum install httpd. Pretty simple enough. Now we're going to shift-z sh package.sh. Done. It's showing us that right now it's running. We already installed it, that's why it says complete, nothing to do. And now we grabbed it, and you can see it's running over here, active, running. Now let's stop it. Sudo system ctl stop http stopped. Now let's go and do the second one. Copied. Let's touch update .sh. Now let's vi into update.sh. Insert, paste, cancel. Paste. Pretty simple enough. Shift-z. Now let's sh, run it back. Oh, we already have it. That's why it says nothing to do. Once again, LL, oh my days, LL, and we can see it's already here. Therefore, we have nothing else to do, and that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.